Okay, here's the object. Relatively simple object. It's a common practice to make it private, for all your variable private, and then the other and you have a public functions to define all the variables. For instance, it's common to have a getter setter to get whatever variables you want to get and set whatever variable you want to set. And also, of course, common to have initialization. And also, you can add however many functions you want. For instance, that we have a function as a sum, add sum those together and then multiply it by multiplier. So how it works is just like it's like a class, private, public, and then you can define the default value. You can have some input, the input however you want, and you can have a getter setter. The getter just get x, and it returns this. Basically, it will return the x that you want and return y that you want. Set x is basically you put into x, and it will set the px to x. Notice that all the px, you didn't declare px anywhere other than here, because all of within the circular bracket everything is shared. Everything is shared here, so you px already been declared, so you can just use it. And py. So here's way to declare an object. Object this, it just become a default variables, and this is a way to do 10 20. Here's the 10 10. I'll just declare model function. You can get x, get y, or you can set x and see if it changed. Let's do a demonstration, and then I will make further explanation. So we see that P1 is the default, which is 1 2, and is the case 1 2 multiplied by 42, yeah, and 1 2 10 and 20, so same thing, yes, correct. Sum of 30 is a 10 10 is 20 20. Yeah, that's true as well. 100, so 200, 200, so it's 200. Yeah, that's correct. And x component, you just get the x is 10. It should be get y is 10 as 100 and 100 as well. And you can reset. You can change the 3 after set it. Set x is 300. Then you get x is 300 as well. So that's way to use setter and getter, and you can get whatever function you want, and basically get your own you get your own function object that it can be used for a variety of purpose for different variables, and then it's similar to structure, honestly. Yeah, and I will talk about structure later.